Hi guys, I'm gonna record this now for our reference. So we have here a new sales page or info page pa tawagin a new info page that contains our updated offer. So this so what we have here is a link to book a call. That's the first thing. And then you have the solutions we provide for them, pain points, and then the solution we give, and then we link here the quote to the form, intake form for clients who needs virtual assistants. You have here a summary of our offer, and then I changed the bonus here: email file, browser management, SOP, onboarding checklist, and a strategy call. I changed it because these are the freebies we have from down here. Over here, I have free templates in here, or SOPs for them. And so these leads to the Calendly pa din. These are the services we are offering right now. Right now, this will link you to the same form, but I'm planning to link this to specific offers. So like for lead gen, for CRM. So I wanted us to create packages for each type of service para we already know the price. And mamaya na yan. I'm just gonna discuss the assets we have now. And then this will still link you to Calendly, all of those. And then this is for those positions that weren't mentioned here. So if you need more, if you need something else, if you need something, dapat pala, if you need a specific position, I don't know, can you help me with the copyright on this? Ikaw na bahala, Teacher Ella. Can you please edit this? If you need some others apart from what is listed here, they can click here and then it will lead them to the form. This is where they can fill out what they need and anything about the company. This is our general VA packages. Will still lead them to a discovery call. These are sample work. This is supposed to be parang the portfolio na din. And I linked in more sample works here because they will for sure look for sample works. That's what usually they would look for. So here I shared an SOP on email management, and then file management. If we can customize this na they can see all after the onboarding, whatever, or maybe just give to them for free. Browser management, kasi hindi naman easy ang pag-execute nan. Yan. I have here STR management. This will lead to the done for you Airbnb management. We have a special offer for that. If you click in here, it will bring you back to the landing page. Back in here. So, baba na naman siya. Mali pala, no? I think we should have brought it to specific. And then, creatives. This is from the drive also that I have prepared kanina. I have organized all the portfolio, the sample works, everything. I'm gonna show it to you in a bit. Those are creatives. Ito naman, these are meeting minutes template, onboarding checklist. So those are samples. You have your certifications. I also consolidated everything here. So all certifications in here are here. VA trainings and upskills, it's here. Ecom, EA, SMM, other certifications, courses I enrolled in. There, many more actually. Those are for certificates, and I also included my education certificates. So, nandito yan siya. All of my CIR certificates just to prove that I went through those in case we help course creators. And of course, our CV, we should put it here. I placed my CV here. It's just a one-page CV, but it will link you to the landing page from here still. I placed a QR or landing page. So, it's super short. And again, it will link to resume as well if it's specifically needed. And then I added Linktree here, so it will lead to all of these. Still Calendly. You also have the portfolio here. These are the link I use for bio. Ayan siya. And you have the bundle, because the audience of this one is for both the prospect clients and the aspiring VAs. So if they can come here, all of these links are available here. And of course, our socials. And you have here, nga pala, the courses, tapos na. Okay, and then the tools, still there. Short, hindi naman siya elevator pitch. Long form of an elevator pitch. I placed my resume here just in case this is my story. It will still lead you here. It could back to home page. It will put you back in here. I don't know if there's a way I can put it back right where we stopped. And then there's a short, kumbaga, background lang about me, just to give it a little bit of personal touch. And also, I wanted to highlight that I am also accepting resource speaking in some other offices para lang ang credibility then added. And then you have the client reviews here. They can click on the consolidated client reviews here. So whenever there are new reviews, we can just add them here. I need a VA. This will still link to that intake form. Same with this. And this one will link to Linktree. Ayan. So just provide so much traffic from there. And then before I prepared this, I also prepared I placed it right where you were placing all of the client sourcing documents. I placed the complete BVO portfolio here. So I'm also gonna cascade this. I'm gonna teach having a portfolio that is summarized into CCSS, certificates, client reviews, sample works, service packages. Ayan, so this is just it. And then here, of course, you have the certificates, all speeches, trainings, education. That's my former work. And of course, you always put on top the VA trainings and the upskills. And client reviews are, of course, placed here. Sample works are here. The browser management, all are linked in here. VA course, I placed sort of like mock what to do here. The mock-ups here, para lang they know that we are also training virtual assistants. And the SMM creatives are here. So they're all in one place para hindi siya makalat. And you have, of course, the service packages. This is what I was talking about. I wanted to link with everything that's in here. I wanted to link service packages for each, so that when we outsource talents, we already have prices for them. Okay. Ayan siya. So we only add any update under these 4 categories into 4. Just simplify the portfolio into certificates, client reviews, sample works, and service packages. Alright. And then, what else pa? Oh yeah. Remember we have the Linktree link. So I also optimized all of our socials for it to be prepared for any type of audience. So like for my Facebook, I placed an intro na ito siya. We are trying this out and we can always change and tweak it a bit according to what's working really well. And of course, I placed the link tree here para whoever visits our profile will be able to see those. And if you go to Instagram, I also optimized this. We just need to fire this up with content, SEO, na optimized, yes. So I place the same elevator, ano ba tawagin? Hero, something. And you also have the same link there. It will also link you to Linktree. So if there are ano tawag ito? If we have like contents here, we can just say link in bio and they'll be able to check it out. We also have YouTube and I also optimized this. I updated the description and I placed our Linktree, portfolio, and discovery call links. They all have a common message, the same pitch. And of course, we have TikTok just to grow our audience in here para in the future we can use this for affiliate marketing or even just for more audience since mas damot yan na re-reach yun eh. And among all of the socials, this is by far kumbaga the fastest actually growing. It's easy to get followers from here every day. Okay, hindi ko na ma-end yun. Okay, so those are so far those are the updates that I made. The next update is I'm going to optimize our Upwork, online jobs, and everything. So just to let you know, all these are available for us, and it's all in Canva, and it's all in our socials. Just in case, kung magpipitch kayo, make sure you include the landing pages and whatever it is para mas more chances of getting noticed. And yep, I think that's it.